So you have the strap with a buckle. If the buckle is not on the strap, here's how you do it. Yeah. Yeah, here's the strap. And you go down to the top, and then fold it to the bottom. So this way the strap will hold it. Yeah, they will hold it tight on it. You can try to do a little pull, see if it's tight enough. Some people go on the opposite way, which is completely wrong. The strap is not going to hold. If you go to the bottom one first and then go to the top, the strap is not going to hold it. It's going to come right out. Let's see. So you got to, let me do it one more time. You got to go to the top one down there and go up and fold it in. This way you can hold it.